Hey guys, today I figured I'd give a little short tutorial on how I record everything. Um, this is a little bit of a different video, but let's go here. Oh, we got a black screen. Hold on. Okay, now we're good. Okay, I don't know what happened. So, here we have my OBS, all right, and I'm gonna just get rid of. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Okay, so I got rid of my video capture device so you guys can see full screen. So, I actually probably should make a new scene. So we're gonna make a new scene real quick. And we're actually gonna name this full screen. Uh, yeah, full screen gameplay. I guess. I think that'd be fine. So full screen gameplay. So we have nothing right now. So let's see. We got. All right, we're gonna just need display capture. And yes. And we're gonna want, because I have two monitors, we want display 0 for me. Um, so yeah, okay, now we got three. So we got three down here. So we got our gameplay, which is me, and the, desktop in the background. I still need to get Windows activated. And then we got my full screen, and then we got my full screen gameplay. Now, I can actually alternate using my keys and stuff like that to like fade in and out. And I'll show you guys how you could do that. So I believe all we have to do is go to, should be tools or something. Or, um, oh, that's in the settings. I'm dumb. Alright. And you guys can see this, yes. Alright, cool. I'll try to blow this up a little bit more for you guys. There we are. Then we go to our hotkeys, and I have different scenes, and we have full screen gameplay. We're gonna set this to F6. It doesn't seem to be a key that's used often in games. So we have F6 to go to our full screen gameplay, which is there. We got gameplay and then full screen. So we can like line these up so that they go in order. So F6, F7, F8. And basically this is just the way I record on my PC. It's a little different if I'm using my Elgato for my Xbox, but um, it's pretty cool to just kind of like alternate between these three, you guys can get some really cool angles, or I guess if you have multiple cameras that would work out really well. But yeah, this is just kind of the way I record. And it's probably the best way to record, but you need, I wouldn't say a hefty computer, but definitely a computer that can run everything and do it well, because um, playing games and stuff like that, you're probably gonna have, unless you have a very girthy PC, you're definitely gonna need some to like drop down your like quality as far as um, like textures and everything in your games if you're going to be recording, due to the fact that you're also going to be probably running a webcam. If you are, if you're not, then you should be all right. But since I'm running a webcam, it's also doing some extra work, which is okay. And but one cool thing about this is I have this set to my like, you could like set your like, I don't really know how to explain it, but basically you could change your resolution size on your like certain captures. So I could change this resolution to something higher. I don't really need to, but I can if I wanted to. Um, you can kind of mess with it all you want and everything. But yeah, I think that basically sums up the way I record and everything. Keep in mind you can alternate between everything, as far as like if you were in a game, you can alternate still like through OBS. Like if I'm in a game right now and like, oh, I need to like start talking, I just like, go like that. It works out super well. And honestly, this full screen gameplay thing, I've been needing to set this up for a while, because I couldn't really get really good screenshots and stuff. And I should probably make one maybe an extra one or something like that, but I'm not too sure. I think I'm happy with my three. My three scenes I have here. And honestly, you'll come to realize this is a super easy software. Once you start learning it and everything, it's just pretty fun. You could just play a lot around. I play just play with it a lot, and you'll figure it out. And yeah, maybe you might have some different names for your sources, but you shouldn't. You're gonna have like different names as far as like your webcam and everything. Like, you guys probably can't see this, but it does show my Logitech HD. Here, we'll go there. You guys can probably see it now. So, but yeah, this is what. Yeah, you guys can see this. So yeah, my C920 is right there. So, but yeah, hopefully that sums it up for you. Kind of like a 2019 tutorial, because it's, people are making content still, and I'm trying to do it as much as I can, and I want to help you guys out too. So yeah, sorry for all the ums and hms and hms and all that kind of stuff, but I've never been good at speaking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like and tell me if this helped you. And if you can't figure something out, I can definitely help you there. This is pretty much a simple like basics of it, and how to just make it look nice and work really, really well for you. The rest is like really just mixer and all that kind of stuff, which is pretty simple. But yeah, that's been it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one, you guys.